Are you thinking about buying a home but don't know where to start? Well, first off, you need an agent who is there to protect you and who has your best interest at heart.
We've worked with hundreds of buyers throughout the years, helping them secure their dream home. There are so many pieces to purchasing a home. If you're not careful, it can cost you thousands of dollars. Hi, we are Carlette
And Cheyenne
of the Real Estate Dream Team. The seller has an agent who is representing them and their best interest, and you need one too. We're here to guide you through every phase of the transaction.
From finding you that perfect home and making professional recommendations as to what you should or shouldn't do throughout every phase of the transaction, we guide you through making an offer, on positioning yourself, on getting your offer accepted, even when there are competing offers. We make suggestions on what you should and shouldn't be asking for, financing strategies, what inspections you should have, repairs, what costs are customary for the buyer to pay, and what's customary for the seller to pay. We go over contingencies and so much more.
We are here to hold your hand and guide you through the entire process to ensure you make the right choice, so you don't spend money unnecessarily. We are here to be your support system and lifelong friend even after we give you the keys to your new home. Please reach out and let us help you on your way to homeownership. We've got you covered.